African Math is brought to you by Fittrick.
Once upon a time, there was a baby crocodile. It was a baby Nile crocodile, and he loved to eat yum-yum pellets. But he always wanted to eat more than everyone else. So whenever he saw yum-yum pellets, he had to have the most. While other baby crocodiles were just eating yum-yum pellets as they saw them, the baby Nile crocodile would count his yum-yum pellets, and he always chose the most. Now, if the crocodile pellets were the exact same, baby crocodile couldn't make up his mind, and he would just look perplexed and say, which one should I eat? Because they were equal. But he always would face towards the direction of the most yum-yum pellets. Let's count and decide which yum-yum pellets the baby crocodile is going to choose. Now let's look at our first puzzle. First puzzle, it's very hard to tell at first glance which one has the most. So we're going to have to count. Could you all help me count?
Sure, Baba Kenyatta.
Thank you. So here on our first side, could you quick count and tell me how many crocodile pellets we have?
7.
Really? You did quick count. How do you know it was 7?
Because I knew 5 plus 2 is 7.
Oh, okay. So we have to quick count. So this is 5. Some people need to learn how to quick count. Until you learn how to quick count, it's fine to count. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's a 5. So that's how we quick count. We know that that's a group of 5. And if we count on from 5, we know that this is 5, 6, 7. Will a baby crocodile choose the 7 yum-yum pellets? Let's find out. So over here, how many baby Nile crocodile pellets do we have?
8.
So we have 8 yum-yums. And why is that 8?
Because it's 4 plus 4.
So that
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait a minute. So now the baby Nile crocodile has to determine which one is the most. So which one would the baby Nile crocodile choose?
He'll eat the 8 because 8's more.
So we're going to trace right here to tell him which one is more. Now we're going to put a sticker on top.
And he's gonna go yum, 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 yum.
Okay, let's do another one. I know what we can do. I have a challenge for you all. What if I count these first? Will it matter?
No.
Really? The quantity's still the same?
Yeah.
So what quantity is this here?
It's a 7.
How do you know? You count very fast. How do you know it's a 7?
5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. There are a lot of different ways to quick count, but I use 2, 2, 2, 1.
So you did 2, 4, 6, then 7. That's a nice quick counting technique. And then you said there was another quick counting technique where you can count 5 and then count on and then count 6, 7. That's a very nice quick count.
Always know 4 plus 1 is always 5.
Oh, so that's you did a quick count of the 4.
And then I did 5
plus
6,
1 is
7.
5. And then, okay, that's very nice counting technique. I really like that. Thank you so much. Okay,
I think I know which one now crocodile is gonna eat.
So this quantity over here is what again?
7.
So this is 7. What quantity is this over here?
5.
And why is that a 5?
Because it's a group of 3 plus a group of 2.
Wow. So let me count on from 3. So this is a group of 3. And then I'll just count on from my group of 3.
3,
4,
4, 5.
So which one is more, 7 or 5?
I think baby Nile crocodile is gonna be stuffed after this one.
You'll be eating 7.
So that would be 7. Well, we have the stickers.
Yeah, the stickers.
And all.
But don't eat the stickers.
So what's this quantity here?
2 plus 2, 4.
Okay, so you did a good quick count, and you quick counted that that's 4.
I just did 2, 2, and guess what?
What's this quantity over here?
4.
Wait a minute. Did you say this is 4?
Both of them are 4. It's
How
2
is that?
groups of 2 and 3 plus 1. There are different ways to add the same thing.
Whoa.
Because if you really did, you could take away 1 from the 2, and then add it to the 3, and then they would be the same.
That is incredible. So what will baby Nile crocodile choose?
Baby Nile crocodile will probably just leave because they're equal.
So we're going to put our sticker over the equal symbol.
Yum yum, yum yum.
Eat the yum yum.
Appa eats.
Thank you all so much for educating me on greater than, less than, and equal.
Nile little crocodile was the hungriest crocodile in the whole entire Kemet savannah.
Always remember, family, we love you. And why do we love you?
Because
Love unites us all.